for giving us a good old year, starting us off on the new year. Let's hope it will be a fruitful, productive one for all of us.
Amen.
That's right below you, yeah?
Last year did you go down there?
Last year I went up there.
They're going to have grinds after.
Yeah. I'm stopping one day.
Did you go down to eat?
Yeah.
Now I got to go home and light mine.
Good job.
Did he come home yet?
Yeah, he came home.